All right, internet family. We've already taken 12 trailer loads of trash out of this property. So everyone thinks flipping houses is all fun and games. The bones are good, but this is gross. So when we first bought the property, you couldn't even walk in here. Like, stuff was piled this high. This is the master. So there's the master bath. You know, it's got a big spot for the vanity coming. Take all this out, get it all cleaned up and sanitize everything. Some nice built-ins in the closet. Don't really need to do much there. I'm hoping underneath this nasty carpet it's the hardwood floors, but we don't know yet till I can get everything out and see what it all looks like. They were living here with like kids and family, like just gross. So this window is broken, so we'll swap that out. Kind of replace the holes in the walls from whatever was going on. So we got bedroom 1. Still waiting on the deed so I can go get the power turned on, but we got a nice brand new, you know, at least last 10 years, 150 amp service. I'm not sure about the AC. We got the text coming on Monday. This is the laundry room, washer dryer's back there, there's cabinets. So let's get the power on and check everything, see how that's going. This is bedroom 2. So we got lots of closet and storage space. You know, the guys are still getting all this out. You couldn't even walk in here the other day. Bathroom's not in bad shape. There's definitely like dog feces everywhere. So it's kind of gross. This looks amazing because this was the office and it was completely piled with books to the ceiling. Like, they were straight hoarders. So I think this alone they said was 2 loads, but you know, bedroom 4. So this is the 4th bedroom. So you already seen the 4-bedroom, 2-bath. I know they're working in here, so we'll see if we can sneak by or not. There were 3 refrigerators in here and 2 ovens. So 2 ovens usually is an indicator of one thing only, something illegal. So it's pretty nice looking. And here's the other oven, and we'll walk out the back. So nice deck. Get all this cleaned up, get this tree trimmed back, taken out probably. The shed back there, or that little house, doll house, whatever you want to call it, they destroyed it. So redo a nice new deck. Get this yard all cleaned up. The roof looks great. The walls look great. I crawled into the house. The joists look great. So there's a few soft spots on the subfloor. So probably putting new plywood in. But really just get all this cleaned up. And then kind of see what everything looks like. And I think it's going to look pretty good. We can get the subfloor fixed and get that looking nice and glued and screwed. Put some new flooring down. This bad boy painted and call it a day. So in another video, we'll go over all the price points, how we got the property, how we funded the property, what our renovation budget is, and then at the end, we'll kind of go over and see how we did. All right, thanks guys, thanks for tuning in. Like, subscribe, press the buttons below, hit the all notifications so you can see my videos when they pop, and we'll keep you posted.